Hello guys, in this video I will show the best website that give you free Instagram followers, free Instagram likes, free Instagram video views and free Instagram story views. So a lot of people creating their videos about free Instagram tools, but they don't share with you useful website or apps. But I will show the best free Instagram tools in this video and in the future of my videos. So if you are new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for never miss any updates. So let's start the video. First, go to a browser in your phone and type Adobe free and then search. Click the first result instagram.adobefree.in. Once you click on it, go down and find the Google reCAPTCHA verification. Click I'm not a robot and click submit. Close all ads. Okay, now in the next page we will need to agree the term and conditions of this website. Click I agree. Now here we will select one category from this. So I want to use Instagram likes, you can use Instagram followers, you can use Instagram story views, you can use Instagram views, but I want to use Instagram likes. I can use this Instagram free like tools after every 15 minutes and click use. Now here we will need to wait for at least 15 seconds, and after that click continue, and then here we will need to paste the picture link we want to send likes. Now click the home button and go to Instagram. Copy the picture link we want to send likes. I want to copy this picture link. And then go back to Instagram, paste the link here, and then get post. Now in this page, go down and click I'm not a robot in the send likes. Finally, Instagram likes are added successfully. It takes 10 to 30 minutes to complete. Go back to YouTube and we will check if the like arrived or not, and click the notification activity, and this is the likes which is arrived. Now you can use for Instagram followers, you can use for Instagram story views, you can use for Instagram video views from this Adobe free website. So guys, if you like this video, please leave a like, leave a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for never miss any updates.